I want to talk about this before we get to Scotty B, because this is unbelievable. And this is actually from a month ago, but we just saw the video today and the story, and it's crazy. And I wonder what the follow-up is on this, because I haven't seen anything.
Well, this is really obscene.
About a month ago in Louisville, Kentucky, a woman is brought into, I guess what would be, I don't know, probably a district court in a, it was the Jefferson District Court. And the judge, presiding judge, Amber Wolf was her name. She's not even looking up when the woman is brought in to the bench. And the first thing she notices is that the woman has been sentenced for 75 days for first offense shoplifting. And she's like, this is ridiculous. And then it goes on from here. And we've cut down this clip, right? It's one clip, but it's three separate clips. All right, let's play the first clip. So this woman's there. She's at the bench with her, I guess, presumably, I don't know if it's pro bono counsel or not, public defender. I'm not sure. But watch what happens with this judge. Good for her.
She was on diversion. She failed diversion, apparently, for some reason. But how did she fail diversion?
I never started it. I think that's what they
You just
said.
you never did it in the first place?
Yeah, that's what they said in arraignment yesterday.
Okay.
And bench warranted a few times.
Okay. Do you have other charges? Have you ever picked up any other charges? Okay, I'm not accepting this sentence. That's ridiculous. No. I'm sentencing you to a... How long have you been in custody?
Well, they picked me up in Fayette Sunday morning.
And you have no charges anywhere?
No.
And the jail would also refuse to give her pants and any kind of hygiene products that she needed.
No pants? What?
I've been wearing this since I came in with this on Sunday.
Excuse
And
me?
that other hygiene products that she greatly needed and requested. So she's been...
Excuse me? This is outrageous. Is this for real?
So basically what the judge has done here is
Wait.
she hears that the prisoner has not
I'm sorry.
It's not
This is
given-
going to take a little bit.
was not given pants and was not given feminine hygiene products. And the judge is just sort of like, I mean, after realizing like the sentence was too long, she's just freaking out here. And she immediately picks up her cell phone, I think it is, and dials it. Like she's so outraged. And let's pick it up when the guy on the other end answers the phone.
Who? It's a shoplifting charge. A first-time shoplifting charge. 75 days? No. We're not doing that. What is this? Am I in the Twilight Zone? What is happening?
She's talking to the constable there in the court.
Clark? This is Judge Wolf in courtroom 102. How are you today? I have a defendant who has been in your all's jail for 3 days, who is standing in front of me completely pantsless, has no pants on. She has requested pants for 3 days and has been denied pants for 3 days. She has no pants and she is in court. And she has also been denied feminine hygiene products. What the hell is going on? Absolutely, and I am holding her here until she is dressed appropriately to go back to the jail. This is outrageous. This cannot happen. And she was brought in from Fayette County, and I don't know what happened to her pants, but she says she has requested pants and they have been denied to her for 3 days while she's been here. She is not dressed from the waist down in my courtroom. Thank you.
And now, supposedly, she had some type of shorts on or something that were covered by her shirt. I don't know if it's basically underwear or what, but and so she gets off the phone. The woman is brought back in to the courtroom where the judge is going to say basically like, time served, and go back, get your belongings at the jail, and then you'll be released. But the judge gets one story from the jail, and then here's this.
Again, I want to extend my deepest apologies to you for the way that you've been treated while you've been in our jail. This is not normal. It is not normal, and I've never seen it happen.
There's a lot of girls up in fresh arrest that have on like similar clothes to what I had on, and they haven't given them a uniform. Like, I don't know.
So you're telling me that there's a lot of people up there right now that are in the same situation?
They took some of them out like earlier today when I asked. They said they wouldn't give me a uniform until I went to a different dorm. But they moved a lot of girls out last night. But like, it's like I came to booking and they were giving some people uniforms. They weren't giving some people uniforms. Like I don't know what they were picking and choosing, what their criteria was, but
there's only one way that's going to get corrected, if you know what I mean. I've already talked to 3 people from the Department of Corrections. I can't explain the situation. They have assured me that it was a mistake and that it won't happen again. But given the information that you're telling me, it makes me feel like that's probably not correct. Maybe just what they're being told. Obviously, those aren't the people that are actually interacting with you. Okay? So I just want to tell you how incredibly sorry I am that you've been treated this way, and no one deserves this. Particularly, no one deserves it, but particularly in a situation like this where, you failed to complete a diversion program, you didn't even pick up new charges, and I am credit time serving the fine. So really, I mean, you should have been in jail for a day, tops, at that. And
Now, what's interesting, she says there's only one way that this is going to be dealt with, if you know what I mean. I think she was suggesting that this woman sue.
Yeah.
That's what
the
I got.
clear message, I think. Yeah.
But I don't think that the judge could say that.
No.
Good for the judge. Milton Apathy is IMing me, former police officer, saying petty shit like this happens all the time. All the time. Just insane. Hello, you. I'm Sam Seder. Looking for smart progressive talk that is occasionally amusing? Well, subscribe to our YouTube feed. Subscribe to our podcast. Like us on Facebook. And just generally enjoy us.